All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, networking is even more important now than it's ever been before. Let me explain. Now, this video is coming out after a pivotal election, and whatever side you're on doesn't matter. Things are going to change, either for better or for worse. Doesn't even matter on your opinion. That's just what the reality is. Stuff's changing. Now, my brother works in IT, and he unfortunately got laid off because, well, IT. But luckily for him, he networked. He was able to secure a position at a new company because of his networking with industry people, and they understood his value as an IT person. And they understood his value in IT. And it was allowed him to get a new position. With the turmoil that's happening currently in our society, well, that's really important for technicians as well. You don't know what's going to happen. Let's be honest, shops go out of business all the time, day in, day out. You may think your boss is perfectly liquid, and next thing you know, the doors are locked and the IRS has seized everything. Or just different things, just whim of the cloth, or even simply you became toxic, or they want to clean house or whatever. All of a sudden you can be without a job, period. It can just happen. If you network properly before the tow truck picks up your toolbox, you can have a new job if you do it right. And that's the facts. Not making this up. If you have made contacts with other shop owners and you call them up and go, I'm available, and if they can use you, guess what? You're probably at a new shop the same day. And that's really important across the board. If you don't have those kind of contacts, well, you're back to looking at Indeed or wherever and sifting through companies you have no knowledge of and could wind up in a poor situation with a bad shop. I've done a bunch of videos on choosing the right shop to work at, but that's not the context of this video. But if you have those networking contacts, go to training events, go to other events where shop owners and technicians congregate and network. Meet people, because you never know you never know what contact might get you a job, period. Just simply knowing people and going, hey, you know any jobs out there? And all of a sudden you get 2 or 3 good leads. Simple as that. So don't discount networking. Networking can help with other things like diagnostics, but honestly, networking can help you find a job that's better than the one you're currently at as well. So don't discount that too, because you can find a better job than you have now. So go out there and network. Go to as many training events as you can and talk to people. Talk to everybody. Get out there and network. Hope this video was helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.